CX automatic vacuum and nitrogen injection can capping machine. Nitrogen generator. Gas nitrogen storage tank. Automatic cans capping machine. Machine is suitable for capping aluminum can, tin can, plastic can, iron can, metal can and PET can, etc. Advanced design, carefully polished corners. Easy to operate and clean. Machine is adjustable, suitable for capping different diameter of caps and different height of cans. Fully stainless steel design, beautiful and durable. Our machines are CE certification, meet the GMP standard. Automatic caps feeding and capping. World-famous electric and pneumatic accessories. Capping head is made of chrome steel roller, strong and sturdy. Machine is low noise and low failure rate, can be continuous and stable, working for a long time. Multiple rollers design of the capping head to make sure machine will work at a stable and perfect situation for caps. Capping process is under a vacuum sealed environment after nitrogen injection, then capping. Perfect capping performance, no leaks, no flaking of cans after capping. The cans will be at the vacuum degree is -0.04 to -0.06 MPa, and residual oxygen is 2% to 3% after capping. Factory direct, and we have more than 8 years machines manufacturing experience. Machine will be offered 2 years long time warranty, technical support forever. Thank you for your watching, and please do feel free to contact us to get further information of this capping machine. CX Pack, your most trusted, ideal and professional packing machine supplier.